You can purchase black seed Nigella sativa and its related products in various ways in the United States. Here are some options: local health food stores and specialty markets. Visit health food stores, organic markets, or specialty food stores in your area. They often carry black seed products, including black seed oil, capsules, and seeds. Pharmacies and drugstores. Check with local pharmacies and drugstores, as some may stock black seed oil or supplements. Grocery stores. Visit well-established grocery stores, especially those that offer a diverse range of international or health-focused products. Look in the spice or supplement section. Online retailers. Utilize online platforms like Amazon, Herbal, Vitacost, Thrive Market, Walmart, and health-focused online stores that offer a wide range of black seed products. You can browse and choose from various brands and forms: oil, seeds, capsules. Specialty spice shops. Look for spice shops that offer a variety of spices, including black seed. Some specialty spice shops may offer high-quality black seed in different forms. Indian or Middle Eastern grocery stores. Visit Indian or Middle Eastern grocery stores, as black seed is commonly used in these cuisines. They often carry black seed products. Local farmers markets. Check if local farmers markets in your area sell black seed products. Some local growers may offer black seed oil or seeds. Herbal and health stores. Visit stores specializing in herbs and health products. They often carry a range of herbal remedies, including black seed products. When purchasing black seed products, ensure you look for reputable brands. Check for organic or pure options, and read product labels for quality and certifications. It's essential to choose high-quality, pure black seed products for the best potential health benefits. Additionally, read customer reviews to gauge the product's quality and effectiveness. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using any new supplement or food product, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication.